Thank you, thank you. It is, welcome back to my kitchen. It is my dad's birthday, Poppy's birthday. So we're going to make him a cake. I have my special helper Felix here to help me in the kitchen. Are you Puppy? Puppy dog Felix is here today. Today we are going to make a quick cake because we already have cake layers back here that I had in the freezer. We are making a strawberry rhubarb jam cake. How are we calling this? What are we saying?
Strawberry by chocolate cake.
It's not chocolate though.
Jam.
Jam. Yes, jam. Okay, should we show?
Yeah. Jam cakes.
We are going to use, we picked this jam up when we were out visiting Matthew's parents out near Quebec City in the summer, I think, or in the fall, I forget when. And it's a perfect time to use it. My dad loves strawberry rhubarb. So let's make him a strawberry rhubarb cake.
Mommy, I want bread with that.
You want bread with this?
Yeah.
We're gonna wait to open it up until we start the cake.
I know what you baked.
A little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll get you some bread with jam and then we'll get started. Okay. Okay. Do you think that's gonna be good with the cake?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Great. Okay, so while Felix enjoys his snack, we are going to get started on a crumble because I want to add a little bit extra zhuzh to it. So I have frozen cake layers. They are my vanilla cake layers. I've used them a couple times now. So I had just made some extra ones. They were in the freezer. Perfect. We can make them. Use them because they're already made. And we're going to use this jam as a filling. So perfect. That's easy. So we are going to make a crumble to add a little extra fun to this. You gonna help me make the crumble? Okay,
Yeah.
Let's get started on that. Are you ready to help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're gonna start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Can I pour it in? Or do you want to? You want to. 3/4 cup of oats. Oats.
Oh, banana.
What?
I said, banana.
Oats and banana?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. This is a 2/3 cup of brown sugar. No. Oh, well, there you get some to taste. Some salt, about a teaspoon of salt. And cinnamon. And how much cinnamon do you think that is? 2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Do you want to stir this up for me?
No, this was a spoon.
Yeah, a little spoon. I think it's perfect.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
I got it at a store.
I got it at a store at some point, yeah? Do you want to mix it?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. I have to try and crush that up, yeah. Oh, yeah. I guess you could also use this. Go like this.
Yeah, cause
So we just stir it together for a bit. I also have a pastry cutter because we're going to add vegan butter.
And this.
Yes. You have your little spoon.
Yeah, cause Mommy got it at a store.
I got it at a store. But we're gonna add in some vegan butter. So we're just gonna mix this all together really well now. And then we can use the pastry cutter or we can use our fingers. We're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of vegan butter.
Oh, we can with this.
Yeah, you can use that. And I'm gonna use this. And you can use this too if you want to.
Oh, I can with both.
You can use both. Okay, should I add it in?
Cause I got 2 hands.
Because you have 2 hands. So you can use both.
Let's do that.
Okay,
Dump it.
1, 2, 3. Dump it.
And I keep making.
Oh yeah, we're working together well here.
Mom, we can't know Bobby to come here because we are making cake.
They're gonna come at 1 o'clock after we have lunch. They're gonna come for cake and coffee. So we have to get the cake ready.
Yeah, we supposed to do that for the fact. And I want to photo my new spoon.
Yes. Yeah, we'll have to show them the new spoon. Hey, you know what? I think I want to use my hands. Do you want to use your hands?
No.
No? Can I use mine?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna use my hands. I'm gonna crumble it up.
And my spoon digger.
And your spoon's digging it up?
Yeah, and dump it.
Ooh, good.
Yeah, make it all pile of fun.
It's kind of like sand. Hey?
Yeah. It's pretty fun. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Did it fall out?
Yep.
So I think you need to use your hands for this. Hey, do you think so?
Nope.
That took a long time. It wouldn't have come together without my hands. Should we get ready to bake it? Baking tray, parchment. Can you, sir, help me put this on here? Ooh, good job.
No problem.
Okay, nice tasting? Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what it's looking like here. We're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes.
For Bobby.
So, earlier, do you remember what this was?
Yeah.
From the chickpeas.
Chickpea?
Yeah, the can of chickpeas.
Yeah.
So we're making a Swiss meringue buttercream because I know my parents like that. And I emptied out a can of chickpeas. We used the bean water, the aquafaba. It came to just...
Mom!
Yeah.
Dump it.
Okay, just a second. It came, okay, we'll dump it. It came to just shy, hey, no. It came to just shy of 1.5 cups of
Now
aquafaba.
we are done.
And I added 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar, and then I boiled it for 5 minutes, helped it reduce. Now we're going to whip it up good for a long time. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I think that's all the patience we have. We make it go really fast. You gotta put a towel on it. Yeah.
Here.
It's gonna spray everywhere. Okay, now we'll go fast. I got some on my face. Hey. It's not ready. No, it's not ready.
Hey, Kay.
Did you take it off? Okay. Oh, hey, careful. Let's look at this. Whoosh.
Oh, yeah, yummy.
Well, not yet.
Why?
Because still it's just like bean water right now. You and Daddy gonna go get Eric?
Nope.
Okay, so I've added in 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. This will help stabilize it. I'm going to just mix this in. So I don't know, it's not super stable, but we'll just keep whipping it and see if that helps. Okay, this isn't really getting stable, so I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum because I think I read somewhere that that could work. We'll see. That kind of helped. I don't know. But we're just gonna go with it now. So I'm going to add in the remaining cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Keep this going. I don't really know. It seems like it's not how it should be, but time will tell. Okay, so I'm going to add in the vegan butter and vegetable shortening. So I have 3/4 cup of vegan butter and 1 cup of vegetable shortening. We'll just add in a bit at a time. Let it whip up. I let this whip up for a while. It was not looking like it was coming together, but it has come together. The crumble is out of the oven. So good. What am I adding now? Vanilla. I'll get the vanilla. Okay, about 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We'll add that in there. And I have this freeze-dried strawberry. I'm gonna add that in here too. Like, how much? How much? Like about 1 tablespoon's worth, maybe a bit more. It's got a nice little pink hue to it. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge while we have lunch before we decorate. So, we'll be back. Felix and I are going to decorate the cake. Are you ready? You're not ready? What do we have to do to get ready?
Clean up.
Clean up? I think we're okay.
No, with that.
We'll deal with that later.
No.
No, let's do the cake first. Yeah? Okay. So what did we realize? Mommy doesn't have any more cake boards.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna decorate onto the
new.
what is this?
New cake board.
Cake stand.
Cake time.
Yeah.
And this new cake time.
This is, yeah, I use this to decorate.
And
to spin.
And this help it turn
Yeah,
up.
that helps it spin. So we're just gonna decorate on this today.
And this and help it turn up.
Yes, exactly. That's the stand.
We not need it.
That's attached to it.
That's
Yeah. Oh,
not
see that? Oh, this is attached to this though. Okay.
That's
Well, that's not attached to this. It's so that when we're done decorating, we can just take this and be like, "Happy birthday, Poppy." Ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy always starts. I put a little bit of icing here.
Yummy.
Okay, let's put the cake. You gonna help me? Set it down here. Ooh, nice. Okay. You take some icing and put it on, okay?
I got put some icing on that crack.
On the crack?
Yeah, 'cause I made crack.
Mm.
I want to
I
do
need
that.
to get another. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, lots of icing. Let's do a lot. Okay. We're gonna add the jam, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna put the
Now
jam
we're
in?
gonna put on oil on it down.
Yeah.
Then put more on it. That, then I get more.
Wait. We're gonna do the jam first. And we do icing on the next layer of cake.
Oh, it's on it.
Hey! No! Let's
Then-
use all of this jam. Does that sound good?
Yeah, and put good Bobby roll on down.
You think he loves lots of jam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's all done.
I think we're gonna lose some jam here. The jam's gonna fall out.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put another layer of cake. Oh, no, we have this. We're gonna add crumble. And this is gonna be a pretty messy cake. Okay. Hey! Uh-oh.
Mhm.
What's Poppy gonna say when he sees you did that to his cake?
The thing. Why you do?
Why you do that?
Could I heard you say it's okay to have a little bit. But
Did I say it's okay to have a little bit?
no.
Poppy says that?
Mimi and we called her and Poppy said it's okay to eat from cake with me.
Yes, with him when he gets here. We have to wait till he gets here, Felix. And put the cake on top. This is not a very stable icing. And we put too much. Oh no. Oh. Did I get you? Hey! Hey! Cover this up. Okay. You gonna scrape it?
Yeah, 'cause I don't want Poppy cake to be
You don't want his cake to what?
fall out.
Oh, okay. So then we gotta put stuff on the sides. Ooh, okay.
Oh no!
Oh no! Ah!
Guffy.
This is a messy one. Something went wrong with my frosting.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What happened to your frosting?
It didn't get stable. So now it's just messy. Ooh, messy, messy, messy. Let mommy scrape the sides here. And then we gotta put it in the fridge. But I think we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna have it be pretty just have it be a very rusty cake, okay? You think Poppy's gonna like it? Okay. Here, let me smooth this out before you, hey! Okay. Sprinkle it all. No, I don't mean all of it. I just mean like sprinkle a lot. I did say sprinkle it all, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Hey! Okay, no. You can do a lot, but don't do all of it. Okay, you want to put... Because look, we have so much on here already.
I want to...
I think that's enough. What do you think? Should we clean off the bottom? Okay, hey! Look at that! Oh no! You can't push down on it like that.
No.
What?
I want to be...
No. Nope. No. Okay, we're all done.
No.
Okay, I put that cake in the fridge and hopefully it'll hold its shape, but that icing did not stabilize. So, a good lesson. I was actually thinking about this the other day. I'm completely self-taught when it comes to baking. I'm just figuring it out along the way. And I'll get ideas and then I want to try it and then I do some research before, a little bit, but sometimes I'm just like, let's try it. Today is one of those days that it did not work out. But I think it's gonna taste good. And that's really what matters. Sorry, Dad. But also, I think that this cake today is a bit representative of how my brain is feeling. Especially when trying to make a cake with Felix sometimes. It's like, gotta be a little bit less structured, just kind of throw things together and cross your fingers that it works out. So hopefully this ends up tasting good. I mean, the crumble, the jam, and the frosting taste good, and I know that that cake tastes good, so it should all be fine, even if it's a bit of a sloppy mess. But we'll see. Dad's gonna be here soon, so we will have some cake and coffee then.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Poppy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! You gonna help me blow it out? Good job.
Did Poppy get to make a wish? He did?
Okay, I made a wish.
I don't wish for.
You have to keep it to yourself.
What?
Wait,
Big
don't tell me.
cake.
Do you want a piece of cake too?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
This out.
Did you make this cake?
Yep.
Whoa.
Take this out.
Did you put all this on?
He may have been tasting it along the way as
Oh,
well.
I bet.
Yeah.
Does it
And
taste
just like-
good?
Do you want to cut, Dad?
Okay.
I want to help him too.
You wanna help me? Okay, you push. Ooh, hard.
Ooh,
Okay.
good job,
Ooh,
Felix.
right to the bottom.
And it takes too.
Okay. How big a piece?
Whoa.
Oh, it's too big.
And what about you? How big a piece do you want?
I don't want to be.
Just a little piece like this? So we try it?
Yeah. Well, we've already had some.
Wait,
so.
you're not supposed to tell me.
What do you think?
I like it. Mmm.
So it was a bit messy to make. That icing didn't really, well, I'll tell you this.
Oh, the icing's really
It was a
good.
bit messy to make, but the icing didn't stabilize.
Oh, it's good.
But it tastes good.
Really good.
Yeah.
And the crunch. Whoa. Mm-hmm. And the cake. That's your best, Sasha.
Thanks, Dad.
That's really good.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'll have to make it again when strawberries and rhubarb are in season.
Mm. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, I'll make one in the summer.
Okay. Good deal.
Okay, bye. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.